This is the Miss Art channel. And in this video, gusto kong i-share sa inyo how I try and review a particular product na ni-review na ng napakaraming beauty bloggers out there. So, the product that I'm talking about is this. This is the Centellian 24. This is the Centellian 24 Madeca Cream. So, this is actually part of an acne skin rescue kit. So, the kit composes of face mask and this cream. But I ordered this last August, sometime in August, and na-receive ko lang siya last Saturday, which is October 20. Kaya, ngayon ko lang din siya ni-review and tinatry. Wala akong unboxing ng product na to because when I got this last Saturday, binuksan ko agad yung package and binuksan ko rin agad yung box and tinry ko rin siya kaagad. What I'm gonna tell you about this, first impression, the product is lightweight. It has a slight scent, a faint scent of I don't know what, pero mabango siya. So very slight hint of scent lang naman. And also since yung sa packaging niya puro Korean characters lahat except for what's written here sa harap, the Teca essence from Centellia asiatica and other patented active ingredients add a natural layer of shield to your skin to bring relief to skin agitation and problems for healthier, younger looking skin. Yun lang. Everything else dun sa box niya is in Korean. Is in Korean already. So, nag-research ako. I went back to the site where I ordered this product. And it says there that, sorry, I'm reading from my laptop, that you can apply this thickly on spots that has problems o yung mga problem areas nyo. And in 2 weeks time of using this, you will see magical results. And ano yung mga problems, skin issues na nire-resolve niya? Of course, you can use it on pimples, pwede siya sa wrinkles, pwede rin siya sa mga dark spots like freckles. And if you have oily skin or when you feel like your skin lacks elasticity, pwede nyo rin siyang gamitin because the active ingredient in this product is the Centellia asiatica, which is also known as the tiger herb, which they believe used during the ancient times for fixing skin problems. So this, the active ingredient here, which is the Centellia asiatica, is scientifically proven to be good. So the active ingredient here, which is Centellia asiatica, is scientifically proven to be good to your skin for skin repair, skin soothing, pigmentation relief, skin elasticity promotion, and atopy prevention. So that is based on the quick research that I did about this product. So this is the product. Nabuksan ko na siya last Saturday. And I have clean face now. I just washed my face and I have nothing on my face except for the Kris Aquino Life lipstick. Yun lang para naman hindi ako mukhang may sakit in front of you in this video. So as mentioned, I already opened this tube and yun nga, meron siyang faint scent na mabango, but hindi ko ma-describe kung anong klaseng amoy, pero may slight hint ng parang medical ointment siya. And then, so as mentioned kanina, it addresses issues on pimple, acne, wrinkles, discoloration or hypigmentation like freckles. So in my case, also the reason why I ordered this product is, so what I want to address on my face is yung acne freckles. So that's the reason why I ordered this product. Kasi since kasi after getting pregnant and giving birth to my kids, na mas nag-darken yung freckles ko sa face ko. And although I like my freckles, it's just that sometimes on pictures, mukhang madumi yung mukha ko. Even if wala naman akong pimple or any scar or any acne scar, sadyang mukhang madumi lang yung mukha ko. And sometimes, I have days when I don't feel like putting foundation on my face to cover yung mga imperfection. I just like wearing like mascara, eyebrow, blush, ganyan. So, minsan, even if I want to just look blooming, nagmumukha siyang madumi because of the dark spots here. So, as you can see, if you can see, meron akong, yan, ito, dark spot here. And then, may, yan, yung mga freckles ko, mas nag-darken siya. I'll try to zoom in for you. Yan. So, ito yung mga, problem ko. Yan. Ito, here, and meron akong parang dark spot here na parang permanent contour. Yan. And ito, yan. Yung mga nandito. And ito din. Ah, hindi. Hindi pala. Lubog lang yun dito. So, ito, yan. Meron akong white dyan na scar. This one here is minonal. So, hindi ko na yan. Pabayaan ko na yan dyan. So, ayun lang. For my friends out there, since childhood, alam nilang, wala naman ako masyadong ganyan before. So, yan yung mga i-address ko. So, as mentioned din kanina, you can apply this on problem areas. So, I'm gonna try it now. So, let's get a little and put here. Also here. And dito, side. And here. Ganyan na lang kasi ang hirap spotin ng mga freckles. Okay. Meron dito. And also, feel kong maglagay sa forehead kasi parang yung wrinkles ko dyan medyo kitang-kita. Tsaka dito sa may ilong. Minsan pag mga ganyan, iiwan ng linya. Yan. So, zoom out na tayo. So, questions on where you can get this product if you wanna try it. You can buy it. You can order it on my link, on my Hi Charis or my Charis Celeb store. The link is in the description box below. You can order it there at a discounted price. I believe ang price nito is more than 1,000 since this product is ordered or shipped directly from Korea. But now, since meron na nga silang Philippines group that arranges or manages the shipping of orders, it's cheaper na. It's around 900 something, but if you ordered from my link, you can get this for 650 for the 50 ml and about, yeah, so you can get this for 650 for the 15 ml cream and 1,350 for the 50 ml kit. Okay? Ang local price niya now, since they have a group here in the country that manages orders, the retail price of the 15 ml is 920 pesos. And for the 50 ml, the bigger tube, the retail price is 1,620. But from my link, you can get them at a discounted rate of 1,350. For the mask, okay, for the Acne Rescue Kit mask, na 1 box ng mask, it's, the retail price is 1,080 pesos, but you can get it for 810 when you buy it from my link or from my shop. Well, after a while, after you apply it, you will notice na magpipinkish ng very, very slight yung skin nyo. Okay? So, and yun nga, you can apply thickly on your problem spots. So, I suggest you apply this during the evening when you're going to bed already. Para naman, hindi very visible and hindi nakakaya to meet people or when you're in front of other people na meron kang cream sa mukha mo. And also at the same time, that will do you good because you're going to sleep, so your skin will regenerate naturally. Kasi resting ka. So, yun, mas magandang recovery time or period yun for your skin while under treatment of this Centillion 24 Plus Madeca Cream. So that's my review for this product. I hope you learned something from me. And if you can share more information about this product, please do so in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this our channel. Smile always. Bye-bye.